Hola bafethu, hola Mzansi, hola Kasi. Welcome to another episode of Kasi Hustlers. I'm your boy Opa Mafumani. Bafethu namhlanje sise Pimville eZone 7 kusiphaza sama gents. Amajita azositshela ke ukuthi isiphaza sama gents basiqale kanjani and how does it feel to be a hustler? And bear in mind, this is not a family business. Business yamajita abangani abahlanganise this idea to say bafethu, let us open up isiphaza sama gents. So especially around esikasi TV ukuthi sizwe ke istory sabo ukuthi bona amajita being a hustler kunjani. Welcome to Kasi Hustlers.
Sikane.
Ulola bafethu umthokozi silona.
Hello Ntuthu.
Lana sisiphatha sama gents eZone 7 ePimville bafethu. Awe.
Alright, sisiphaza bafethu siqale nini siqale kanjani?
Siphaza no sina 3 years si operator iZone 7 da ngase PDL vele yabo. So ukuthi cede kanjani both amajita siplomile nje nasingena plan yabo. Kunokuthi sihambe sophuza spend imali reckless sihlangane sibone ukuthi senzani yabo. So we did try to venture in ama business are different yabo until eventually we end up ukuthi azini sabone space sarenga nama stand uthi sicela ukungena ku space senze shop sa shop kanjalo.
Shukuthi le time lesi besicala le shop afethu besingena lutho besinama sweet nje sithi azini sipusha nje ama sweet lesi stand lesi and then ke ama customer wethu asibonisa support yiwo asiphushile kakhulu ukuthi nathi sifake effort eningi ezinamanje shop uyibone ukuthi shop kanjani.
So then how many are you bafethu la kule business?
So business ama directors C3. C3 yes, and then we have our employees I2, so 5 all in all. So rotate nje une schedule sokusipana ukuthi bana sipana from what time until what time, bana ngena from what time until what time, so that everyone nje azokwazi contribute to the shopping ukuthi kwazi cool. Yeah.
All right. So jeleni bafethu. Wiqala kwenu ibusiness. Ifie ebenayo ngayo yini?
If fear sothini obviously when starting a business the first fear is ukufela yabo uthi aqala bese manje ingaspani the way ufuna ispana ngakhona and eventually you losing money along the process yabo. But soja ngisho ukuthi we have tried other business before, so we wanna be making that experience base singena ngayo sizena no experience ahlanganisa and we like okay azina sambeni sibone ukuthi yophela kuphi yabo.
Ene futhi enye into ifear yethu bokuthi okay sizoba naso istoko but isitoko singathenga, so bekuyifear yethu le ukuthi
hlale ke sisispice separate. Yeah,
okay. So nthukile ukuthi hayi so stoka ba cross
phela ukhumbule thina siya close to iShoprite yabo. So obvious 90% of the products we have here Shoprite now.
Sure.
So bayavaba udlule bakuthathiphala bafaka kwabadala ama amateur bazilex yabo, but no, thanks to support amajita sekasi everyone bayaza bazo support nebuy. So yeah.
So now njeleni ke bafethu yini into eni keep us strong?
Support from phakathi ePimville, and then nakhona the brotherhood that we have amongst ourselves yabo. Asiwuthi thina hlanganise ibusiness, no, we became friends before business. We were friends for years yabo, and then that brotherhood yakhona yenze ukuthi sihlangane size lana shop yabo. So the brotherhood is much more stronger than the business, so into senza keep intact was a push on all the time yabo. And also with us coming from different backgrounds yabo, we know what okay 90 we achieve. So in order to also achieve our goals, it basic the foundation of it is bamba you the shop. Yeah.
So amongst yourselves, one flop. Ngoba ngiyazi ikhona le ngathi behlala kuthele.
No, you wouldn't say about flop that's all.
Okay, yazi ukuthi bani sishukuthi flop ne. Hayi mari qala ebe ngiphila ngishaya amaphala yazi. Wena ukushaya iphala ngasingento ezincane. Yeah, but for instance before bengilomuntu onenkinga yana yokushaya bokhona so ukuthi manje ngiyashaya then end up sengibhayiza amalanga ngabona ukuthi yazini lonto lengiyenzayo ko grand khawathi business, so ngokuthi ngajoda yazini othi ngishintshe for the sake of business no ngiyazi ukuthi yazini mangida shop ngibayimi nje ngiyadeliver.
Yeah. So grand sikhona isikhathi la ushaya imali esitoko ayiphuza yona.
Asifiki lapha.
Bekuthi nje uthe ukuthi ngizibambela 2 nyana ngemali yami le mangifuthe uyothi le
kumele ukuthi usifana ukhona ukusifana
seyangihlule yabo lethu ngitsho ukuthi azi ngizokhona ukuyicontainer nta strong yabo
change more
But nakhona obvious base ngama flop and no one is perfect yabo omunye ama flop wakhe yabo so my weakness is strength yakhe weakness yakhe is strength yami yabo so that's why the collaboration is making us even stronger.
The 3 musketeers pusha ngaleyo mentally
on the front line is the 3 musketeers but behind the scenes there's more of us there's really more of us much just blow man now now but too much
all right so I plan ukuthi you know because obviously as amajita nengqondo nje ukuthi azini business yini I future plan bafethu.
What do you say? No, one of the future plans of us cool labo from being a small spaza shop to growing up to be a supermarket, you know, us also being able to be on the same level where we can compete like your big guys about ShopRite, about Pick and Pay, your Boxers, yeah. So that's the big plan. Eventually, it's cool. Go to supermarket. People can take us serious. To know this thing. These people they know what they're doing.
Nalana nje kasi nje ukuthi nje sikonquer ikasi because ezisilana we're trying to build a brand isipasa ama change sifuna usaziwe singapheleli la ePimville so ngasijabulisa mase sibona sile Protea bomamfulo ukutholakala isipasa ama change then ke it's a later stage as a shule mfowethu ma supermarkets warehouse into esibhekile
the franchise nyana siphaza sama change spread all right so now ngitsheleni nje bafethu like as much as siyazi ukuthi like a business you know it's a stressful thing yini into enenza ukuthi
ngawumoya obviously because of it has become a norm to us yabo ukuthi because of saspana nathi ama 9 to 5 weeks yabo so basiphuma esipaneni routine ukuthi siza year shop yabona so asina life out of aside from a shop business yabona so into keep us motivated so we do at times sit down sikhuluma ukuthi the day shop la is over la khona so but devastated in the singena plan in yabo so we do try by all means ukuthi I shop ihlale operate at all times yabo so the advantage of having a brotherhood is on days where mina I'm feeling down I'm feeling demotivated amajita khona for inspiration ukuthi dog ayazi as pushing futhi ukukhumbula ukuthi lento esithunela inini yabo then the other time umfowethu naye beke feel like demotivated inini I'm always there that dog my man futhi brotherhood senze the family to leadings in motivation ibe khona kanjalo yeah
so is there any fear with you one day hey singawe spaza business nga collapse
with the challenges eswandlulile so far it is giving us a confidence ukuthi ayi ngeke sivale anytime soon I never time soon because we've been through challenges where manje istoko bese sibancane kube ngathi manje akubonakala kuyaphi yabona but because of the support ne brotherhood yethu we kept on pushing with the little we have yabo and then now eventually the shop is now growing yabuya istoko leyo struggle buya ngakhona so ikhombisa ukuthi no yazi the shop can go through good times and bad times and so you learn from those experiences then you move on so yeah
now isikhathi some nice time Libanazo.
Hey,
bebeza
basi unjole kubanzi
isikhathi sokuthi uthola umuntu webhayena ka understand ukuthi yazi in fact mina nganje into esongiphusha eside ukuthi nakhalela isikhathi sakhe ne shop ka ye demand isikhathi sakhe yabona so hayish it's a challenge it's a challenge
ngoba vele bahlangana umuntu vele yabo uzo first uthi I understand yini base yabona ukuthi hey we are too committed to this thing yabo but nakhona we do try our best ukuthi ayazi into maybe fanda iba ne off uchaya into zakhe esendlini ubonisa kanjani sibamba thina yabo kanjalo we just rotate kanjalo yeah
so ukuthi amabhebeza nje abakhohle
hayi bona baya
love the business
okhona nalabo sazoza mile bazi ukuthi ibusiness hamba phambili
aba understand ukuthi
iyo lezo mfeeder kahle
we were thinking of a bigger picture sicabanga into yamanje
so ngizonikhuluma ngama sweet ukuthi ngiqale ngama sweet buffet so how did you manage to go further?
With us starting a business, honestly, we didn't have a business plan in place. As Vesathi abafethu nathi spaces naso mastoke ni sihlangisa amaswiti kancane nema cigarettes because those are the most common things us as abantu esijwayele ukusibhaya yabo. So eventually kancane even with customers coming yabona baza nama suggestions, no guys fakani into kanje abafethu fakani into kanje yabona. So kanjalo nje so faka nginisa store kanjalo because 90% of store esinaso no it's store bebene ukuthi ama clientele yethu yibo ba recommendile ukuthi sibabhayisele so yes
ukuthi angayile phambili
all of them basho yabo bakasho ukuthi ayazi mfethu mina ngifuna ukuya kuphi ngicela ningistokeleni into kanje yabo then safara yeah
just to add isizile leyo nto le kuma customer ukuthi siwamamele of which nomunye umuntu ngama advise ukuthi mamele customer alifuna because if no bekuthiwa thina sithenge something ebesicabanga ukuthi izovaya ngabe shop ayikho to this level ekuyo so le level esikuyo because of our customer wethu as a shooting for it I recommend izinto siyazithenga then siyavaya stock then into sense ukuthi sibe push
so that pete everything sweet from sweet to what?
So so we have amasweet, snacks, a little bit of amati, amashugela inabo, and a little bit of spicy for mentioning I'm going to pay to eat toilet. Yeah, it did this pet because at times whereby
flavor much
okay in the zinja so we we used to have other stuffs as well but obviously you have to test the market about what to see which ones they buy the most and which ones bangas buy and then the one bang buy then we tend to like let's remove it from our shelves and then stick to what we buy. Arch sibuy but nakhona kusho ukuthi manje bawune tuck shop kumele ubhayise yonke yabona now now as a businessman you learn to learn how to be exclusive. Okay, this one I can supply to my customers, this one I cannot supply.
All right. So then how do you maintain the discipline buffet like in terms of money? Money is money. So need 3 as a directors. Today it's my shift. I am born. I decide to sleep a little bit. Fire I yes, stock on those counter, but but then how do you keep that discipline? In my business.
So obviously we do have our systems in place with the experience that we have from running our business previously. But we already knew okay, one of the things is whatever sale or yenza you need to record that sale will count, right? And then at the end of the day we're counting how many we've sold and then we compare to the amount of money we have on the counter, which is then then there are questions, then we may just find out okay, so much challenges we've come through to recognize okay medicines is and the panty which I as says money manager
inventory into sizile nakhona into sizile ukuthi manje sazi ukuthi okay fanda bekunento ezingakanani siqala ngakusasa then pushing into ezingakanani so inventory kushaya nje inventory kusizile nje
so ninenhle ningama hustlers
but eventually you cannot call yourself a hustler mele graduate now you become a businessman an entrepreneur kanjalo so ukulala mfethu akusizi mele baye out mele uphande vele kasa bohlanganise mele kube na something yokudla vele endlini
so the support in itholwayo like as much as you get it how's the support in the families?
Supporting the families zona igrand because obviously there were times whereby nabo banga understand ngenzakalani because of no it was because of I think the stress bebanasa baza especially boma oledi it was time because of ishop mele vale late basivala ngeke sive lesivale sami mele sivale silungise and prepare for the next day yabo. So all the time sifika late emakhaya so ma 10 abo ma 11 yabo. So stress bona it was because of safety, yeah, and because of different different houses yabo. So different houses here. So manje abazali baba stress ukuthi ke yazi mfethu ngihlani bahlangana ngama 10 wani ngavali shop ngama 8 telling them ukuthi ikula phela livale ngo8 ikula livala ngo10. So that's how competitive nani mele sivale ngo10 yabo. Yeah, so otherwise bona seeing progress, us pushing for 3 years now, they see ukuthi didn't sivele hayi into yamampela lena ngahlanje. It's not just nje phase ezoyenza 3 months besiyavala hayi siqhubile sifikile samele
fruits
silana
yabona yeah so push nje all the time yeah kanjalo yeah so far so good support khona bo yes.
Now as a Makasi hustlers yipi message enikeza amanye Makasi hustlers machika like us youth especially?
Okay, mina into engathanda ukuthi I message kumanya ma hustlers like us ukuthi bafethu into moyenza yenze, be consistent. Ama results ungajaha ama results wena nje be consistent, be discipline. Njenga like i-shop sivula ngo6 ma customers awayazi ukuthi mathi 6 shop iyavula kunakuthi ukuthi namhlanje ngifila kanjani. Ama feelings aside, be discipline, consistent. Into ezokuthatha ukubeka endaweni omuntu. Iyo nje message yami nje to manya hustlers out there.
And also whatever community that you uspayela kuyo yabona, make sure that you do respect the community and then you engage nabantu bakhona yabona, so that now they can also be willing to come and support you at the end of the day yabona. Yeah, so that will be my message to as in community because joba asho to maintain the consistency bafethu na kanjani ayikhenye. Yeah,
feelings aside,
yeah business amaphambili.
Yeah, and then ngitshele ngeke bafethu inokusuka vele ngilaka majida nqaba.
Yeah,
awani community has lempele ngibeke right amakanda wahlale kahle wazongitshela. And how do you maintain that argument ukuthi awazongitshela kahle?
Hey, yabona vela all the time you put up my arguments yabona. There are times singaboni ngokufana yabona, but I think it's because Tina what made us different is we understand ukuthi ibusiness hamba phambili hence ama feelings aside, understand. So fele singala sibe an argument yabona, but what's best for business even sibe phambili qala yabona ukuthi ke we're going to do this and this idea some implement if I span again so yenza le yami ke sibona ukuthi hamba kanjani yabona.
Sure.
Yeah, so I sakwazi to resolve ama challenges siba now all the time.
Yeah. Hi, happy customer. Yeah.
Kasi TV, big up to Kasi Hustlers.
Yeah, huge big up for Makasi Hustlers bafethu. Wherever you are, hustle pusha, doesn't matter how small it is.